Hello, this is Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano. I'd like to welcome you to video number 3 of Traumerei by Robert Schumann. It's part of a larger set called Kinderszenen, 13 pieces translated as Scenes from Childhood. The translation for this is Dreaming, so it's a very reflective piece. And today's lesson will start on beat 2 of measure 3 and go to beat 2 of measure 4. So I will just say right now, this is a more difficult little passage than we've had in the first 2 lessons. So just do your best, take your time, and be patient with yourself. At this moment, I know I didn't mention it in the earlier videos, make sure that you are writing in the fingering that works best for you, and then always practice it that way because you want to get the fingering right from the beginning. So let's start with the harmony. We're starting on this. This is called a C7 chord. It's the 5 chord, and it has that extra note in it. Sometimes 7th chords have 4 notes, and in fact, this could also be called a C9, adding another 3rd on top there. The only note that doesn't belong to this chord is the A. Other than that, then on beat 4, we have a 1 chord again. This time in first inversion, and then we have a 5 chord on the and of 4, C chord, then back to 1 again, F chord, and then back to 5. So this is alternating between 5 harmony and 1 harmony. Right hand, section 1, there's just 1 fingering for it. You see the 2 voices, stems up with a slur, and then stem down with an E. Half note. Fingering for this is 2, 3, 4, 5, lift. So I'm going to give you 3 options for fingering here. The first one is the most difficult, I think. You're holding the thumb down, which is the thing that makes it so tricky. 2, 1, 3, 2, holding that thumb, 4, 2, 5, 4, 2, 1. Option 2. This one has a silent switch in it, but it works pretty well. 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 2, switch to 4, 5, lift, 3, 2, 1. Option 3. This is the one I tend to use. 3, 1, 4, 2, roll over finger 4 to keep it legato, 3, 2, lift the bottom, right hand timing, almost all 8th notes, so they're all going to be subdivisions. 1 and 2 and 3 and lift 4 and 1 and 2 and. Left hand, fingering and notes. Again, the left hand has 2 voices, stems up and stems down, 2 fingerings for the first part. You can either do, if your hand is large enough, 5, 2, 2, 1, 2. And that one you can also do a silent switch on the G at the end. 2, 1, 2, 1 to get ready for this. Or option number 2, if your hand's a little bit smaller, you might like this one. We're going to slide the thumb down off of that B flat. 1, 1, 2, lift, 2. You could do a silent switch there too as well. 1, 1, 2, 1, lift. Part 2, 1 option. 2, 5, 1, 4, 1, 2, 1, 4. Kind of pivoting around. Okay, let's put the hands together, no pedal. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. Articulation, first of all, we've got the slurs, which I've been trying to demonstrate with the fingering, with a gentle lift, not a huge lift, just the teeniest of lifts at the end of those slurs. Those are the notes that go together. So dynamics, what I'm going to encourage you to do is what I call microdynamics. With the microdynamics, I'm going to take these 4 notes. I'm noticing that this B flat is on a strong beat. Beat 1 is the strongest, beat 3 is the second strongest. So I'm going to do a little teeny tiny crescendo to beat 3. And then that D is going to be a little softer. I'm going to do the exact same thing here, leading to beat 1, lead to here. And then this one's going to stay strong all the way to here. So beat 1 and 2 are going to be kind of equal. Okay. Finally, the pedal. There's lots of opinions on the pedal for this section. I think the most successful pedaling here is to pedal on every single beat. So it would sound like this. Pedal, 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 pedal. Now, if you feel very comfortable with the pedal, then you could add another quick pedal on the and of 4. Pedal, 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 pedal. So try both of those and see if those work for you. So that wraps up today's lesson. I hope you found it helpful, and please ask any questions in the comments below. Let me know where you're from and how you're doing with this piece, that sort of thing. As always, thank you for watching.